Alright, we're out here gonna make some coffee. The Grayl I have, they're out of the version 2 cooking lids, so I had to get I got a Japanese coffee press. So I wanted to show the Grayl off, but there are shipping problems. I wonder if it's due to the tariffs. This cooking pot I got from REI, I believe. Stove. Press, I'm not using that because I don't have the lid for it. Yeah. Let's see if the wind blows the flame out. I don't have anything to shield it. I'm sure it might hold up, especially if you leave. Gas. They make these, I could have made an aluminum.
Oh, that's cool. And it even comes with like a paper.
Yeah, so 0.5, 3 cups. Put 700 milliliters. So it doesn't even have it in milliliters, it has cups. I guess the line is 2, it's right at 3. Okay. I wish it was in milliliters or ounces. I'm just gonna fill it with 3 cups. Or what is that, 8? Oh, that's 3. I'm gonna do 3 cups. That way it'll give us a cup and a half.
Probably a cup and a half, or I guess maybe 2.
Let's see where this is going. Right where it should be. Oh man, that wind just won't quit.
Yeah, I move my bag all the time. So you can, just flame,
This is made by Grayl. It's titanium.
Oh, it's the stand.
Yeah, it's a regulator. Sports here. Alright, I got the water to a boil. I had to put the stove in the back of the Jeep because it's too windy. I think it's good now. Oh! Wind! It's blowing the coffee out of the... What is up with the wind?
It's pretty calm this morning.
Yeah, the titanium cools down pretty quick. That's why I'd rather have titanium than stainless steel.
Yeah, it doesn't retain the heat as long.
Right. It's now recording. Yeah, the coffee came out great. Nice Java.
Got it grounded.
I think it's too close to the end. There's still coffee in there though. Oh yeah. Thank you, Joe. 339. Vermont. This magnetic loop's working great.
It is.
Got half of what I need. And that coffee press works great. Oh great, someone's gonna be sitting on top of me. There's some contest going on. Yeah, some contester that couldn't hear me, he's like all over me now. Yeah, see? Alright, I'm gonna respot myself. God. I hate these contests. I really do. I hate them.
Is it kind of, do they go on during the weekends?
They just vomit all over the whole band, and they don't have any care. This is way up in the QRP area, and they're all over everything. I don't know who they are or what it is. Sells radios, I guess. Tennessee. So the radio works. The antenna is excellent.
Is this your first time using this antenna?
No, I've used it before. I need to use it more because it was expensive. And it's really easy to set up. Yeah, I mean, it's not too bad.
I think I may have seen you use it once or twice, so
Sure. So this is very narrow when you get it. So you just tune that and it tunes in for a specific frequency. That's why I use this SWR analyzer. So when it goes right down into really a good impedance, then you got an impedance match. There's a oh my god, I can't escape these morons. Two more. That's the... Gee. Okay, I got him now. I didn't hear the... Oh, a signal came up. MS? Minnesota. Yeah, it doesn't make as much coffee as my that was Feld. It's a mode that they used during World War II, the Germans did. I use it sometimes. Hellschreiber is what it's called. Or maybe Hellschreiber's. It's all this interference, dude. It's like they just want to take a diarrhea dump on everything. What the f is going on? So I heard Feldhell, I heard contesters, I've moved once. See, the problem with the magnetic loop is you're dialed into a narrow band, a narrow. I guess he's not going to come back to me. Oh, he called me earlier. That's why he didn't come back to me. He was like my first contact. Well, second. I thought that sounded familiar. KN4AA0. It's like that's an odd call sign. And I even scratched through his name on the other side, scratching him out. Because my pen went through the paper. I want to get this one more before I leave. Russia. Said Oklahoma, thank you. Oh, I got Russia. Oh my God. Woo! Oh my God. Let's see if I'm still recording. Yes. Oh. Oh my God! You're here. You heard it.
Yeah.
Oh, RZ10A.
When it first came in, I thought that was just far.
Yes. I'm gonna leave it at that. I am so happy right now. I got Russia on my repaired QMX on a magnetic loop. I want to put the camera and just look at this. Look at my setup. Russia on the magnetic loop. Oh yeah, with probably about 4.5 watts. You know his antenna was doing all the work.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we made some coffee with the little camp stove, with the press, and everything's working great. All right, guys. Thanks for following along on another adventure with the QRP Delta. I hope to see you soon. AI5DD 72.
Every time I see that face, I fall in love with you all over again.